Hello YouTube, in this video I'll show you how to delay YouTube videos, or in fact any video or any URL from loading straight away. In this case for VRChat to delay video loadings. For example, in my case, videos load for me a second before everyone else's load, so the videos are out of sync. You'll both see different things at different times, and it's not exactly easy to catch up. Now, this method works for basically most programs, and this doesn't modify any of the code or anything, so it's quite good in that way as well. So let's get started. First of all, you want to download something called Fiddler. You can get it from this link here. I'll leave it in the description. So what you want to do is open it up when you get it, install it like that. Nothing else is in there apart from itself. And just like that, you've installed it. You'll want to then open it up. Click no to this, and you've got the program running. Now what this basically does is allow you to change or view or anything really with your web requests. So if I enable this, we will for the AutoResponder, as well as this, make sure the other two aren't enabled because they're not needed. If I pop this to the side here, you can see when I press a YouTube video to load, it comes up, and I actually do see it on the side. If I press it a couple of times here, you see it comes up a couple of times. Now what you can do with that is quite simple. Move this over here and add a wall. You'll want to put Google Video, because in this case that's what you want to match. And you'd want to do star, delay, colon, and then how long you want it to delay. Maybe you've got a 700 millisecond delay, so basically almost a second. You can click save here, make sure it's saved before you click off of it. You will then notice when you press on a video, same one, it doesn't load up straight away. You press it and you have to wait before it loads. Now let's say I wanted to take that delay off. I could untick this, or I could simply delete it, or I could turn these off altogether. And by doing that, you see it comes up straight away. No more bothering with anything else. And all you want to do to delete this is obviously just use the control panel if you want to remove this program, but I'd suggest keeping it only once when you want it to, and that's how simple it is to delay stuff. So if you ever want to delay, you just open it up, and then when you're done, close it off. And to prove that it works with anything, just to show that it's not anything I've done with this program, I will actually show you what YouTube looks like now. YouTube, it will load, and if I press on a video, maybe that one, I get a delay. All the way through. But if I turn it off, I get my normal delay. throughout the whole video, rather than just the delay I've added onto it. And this classic version of Fiddler that I know is only for regular Windows, but I have seen something called Fiddler Everywhere, works for Mac and Linux. Seems like you just put the same thing, match it with Google Video or whatever you want, along with your action. In this case, they've done drop, so the style action still exists, so I'd assume it's as simple as that. Obviously, I'm not getting into that in this video, but you can see this does delay your requests, which does allow you to actually not have any delay at all. So thanks for it, and thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.